Most businesses never go beyond six figures because they're built to generate income, not scale into, but the difference between a six-figure business and an eight-figure empire isn't just size, it's structure. Six-figure owners usually rely on personal effort, inconsistent systems, and limited growth strategies. Eight-figure entrepreneurs, on the other hand, build scalable systems, strong teams, multiple income streams, and brands that operate beyond the founder. They think in leverage, not labor. In this video, we'll break down exactly what separates a simple six-figure business from a true multi-million-dollar empire, and what needs to change if you want to make that leap. Today, we will talk about what separates six figures business from eight figures empires. So before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. 1. Mindset shift from business to empire. The first thing that separates a six-figure business from an eight-figure empire is the mindset of the entrepreneur. Six-figure owners often operate with a job replacement mentality. They are focused on earning a stable income from their business, and their decision-making is often short-term. Eight-figure entrepreneurs, by contrast, think in terms of legacy, systems, and scalable impact. They focus on long-term growth, risk management, and opportunities that compound wealth over time. This mindset shift influences every aspect of business, from how revenue is reinvested to how teams are structured. While six-figure business owners may chase each sale or client, empire builders are strategic, designing operations and assets to produce sustained revenue without direct involvement. 2. Systems over individual effort. Six-figure businesses often rely heavily on the founder's direct involvement. The owner may handle sales, operations, or customer service personally, which creates a bottleneck. Eight-figure empires, however, prioritize building scalable systems that operate independently of any single person. This includes automated marketing, standardized operational processes, and team structures where decision-making is delegated to trusted leaders. Systems allow businesses to grow without proportional increases in labor or stress. 3. Cash flow mastery. Another critical distinction is how cash flow is managed. Six-figure businesses often prioritize revenue growth without closely monitoring profitability or cash reserves. Eight-figure empires focus intensely on cash flow optimization, ensuring money is consistently flowing in, being reinvested wisely, and creating buffer reserves for volatility. They analyze every revenue stream, expense, and investment to maximize returns. This focus allows them to seize opportunities, weather downturns, and avoid financial pitfalls. Empire-level entrepreneurs also strategically reinvest profits in high-impact areas that generate further growth, such as technology, talent acquisition, or new product lines. 4. Asset ownership versus revenue dependence. Six-figure business owners often earn income by trading time for money or relying on individual clients. Eight-figure entrepreneurs shift focus toward asset ownership, products, intellectual property, scalable systems, or other investments that generate revenue independent of active involvement. This approach provides leverage, allowing income to grow exponentially rather than linearly. For example, digital products, subscription models, or licensing agreements produce recurring income without constant effort. Revenue-dependent six-figure businesses struggle to expand because each new sale requires additional labor or resources. In contrast, eight-figure empires strategically build assets that compound in value over time, ensuring long-term wealth CR. 5. Team and leadership structure. A six-figure business often has a small team, sometimes composed entirely of friends, family, or generalists. Leadership is centralized, and decision-making heavily depends on the founder. Eight-figure empires, by contrast, invest in leadership, hiring specialists, and creating clear hierarchies. They develop middle management capable of running departments without founder intervention. This delegation allows founders to focus on high-level strategy, partnerships, and growth initiatives instead of operational tasks. 6. Strategic risk-taking. While six-figure businesses often play it safe, empire-level entrepreneurs embrace calculated risks to achieve exponential growth. They analyze potential rewards versus exposure, make data-driven decisions, and are willing to take bold actions in marketing, product development, or market expansion. These risks are mitigated through careful planning, diversification, and contingency strategies. Six-figure businesses may miss opportunities due to fear of failure, resulting in slower growth and limited wealth accumulation. 7. Marketing and brand authority. Branding and marketing are executed differently at the empire level. Six-figure businesses often rely on reactive marketing, word-of-mouth referrals, or basic advertising. Eight-figure entrepreneurs invest heavily in strategic marketing campaigns, content creation, authority building, and brand positioning. They leverage social proof, thought leadership, and high-level partnerships to dominate markets. A strong brand allows businesses to command higher prices, attract better customers, and expand into new markets with credibility. 8. Multiple income streams. Six-figure businesses often rely on one core offering or service. Empire-level entrepreneurs diversify income streams to reduce risk and increase revenue potential. This could include product variations, subscriptions, consulting, partnerships, investments, or licensing. Multiple income streams create resilience, allowing the business to weather market shifts and capture more value from existing customers. For example, a company may sell a primary product while offering complementary digital services, courses, or VIP memberships. 9. Long-term vision and planning. Empire-level businesses operate with a 5 to 20-year vision, while six-figure businesses often focus on immediate survival or short-term goals. Long-term planning influences every decision, from product development to team structure and market expansion. Eight-figure entrepreneurs set clear, measurable objectives and align resources to achieve them over time. They are patient, disciplined, and willing to sacrifice immediate gratification for sustainable growth. This approach allows them to anticipate trends, position themselves strategically, and execute major initiatives that would overwhelm smaller operations. 10. Leveraging capital and partnerships. Finally, eight-figure empires excel at leveraging both financial and strategic partnerships. Six-figure businesses may rely solely on personal funds or small loans, limiting growth potential. Empire-level entrepreneurs utilize external capital, joint ventures, collaborations, and investment opportunities to accelerate expansion. This leverage allows them to access markets, talent, and resources beyond what they could achieve alone. They also understand how to negotiate favorable terms, align interests, and maximize ROI from partnerships. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and click the button to subscribe.